Well, I haven't recorded the last couple of days, but last Friday, I believe it's Thursday, last Friday, I ran went 6 miles, Rock Creek. I don't know if I recorded that one. I ran 6 miles in Rock Creek. I mean, that was one of the better runs that I've had in a long time. I'm talking a long time. And I didn't feel much pain in my knee for the first time. But I was able to do it. I came back Sunday, past Sunday, and that was the 24th. I ran in the neighborhood. I ran 6 miles in the neighborhood. I pushed the Brooklyn area around further. I ended up taking Franklin Street all the way up to Michigan, all the way up to Trinity, up there Trinity Hill, to Michigan, all the way to South Dakota. And it was a little bit longer than I thought it would be. It was about 6 miles. From South Dakota all the way back up, all the way to home. I had to take off for 2 days, travel Monday, ate a Tuesday. I wrote about that one. Tuesday, rained, and I was in writing the paper. The paper had me, I couldn't do much. Yesterday was Wednesday, and literally I ran about 5 miles. I extended Blue Plains. I took Chesapeake Hill non-stop, and took it all the way down to South Dakota, South Capitol, back around to Joliet, and I went up Joliet non-stop. It wasn't the fastest, but I could